in the Tulu script. Tulu poet Charan Ivanat present a Dravidian language group, Tulu language speaker. And next, we know Tulu Sahitya Academy established by the state government of Karnataka in 1994. This is the most important part of Tulu language. On the other hand, there are two Bodo poet and one Kokrajhar. Bodo and Kokrajhar belonging to the Tibeto-Burman language family, concentrate in the northeastern part of India, and Bodo and Kokrajhar are closely related to each other and came from Assam-Burma subgroup of Tibeto-Burman languages. In the Kokrajhar language, as directed by the king of Dharma Manik Rajamala, has written in Tripuri script earlier and translated into Bengali in the 14th century. First Bodo magazine, Bibar, published in 1924, and Boroni Fisao Ayen, published in 1915. Bodo Sahitya Sabha established in 1952. And Hindi, Odia, belonging in the Indo-Aryan language family. Odia, Bengali and Assamese, closely related from Magodhi, Prakrito and Indo-Aryan language group. Very nice presentation. We know literature a medium of peace and harmony. In this session, by the various poets, presentation, their harmony, unity and diversity of the national unity and diversity and national identity of India already reflected by the session. Thank you. Gizanthang, Khulumbai, Juthai, Sadri, Garlagi, in Rajbongshi, Dandavat. Thank you to all.
Photo session you have here? Okay. I extend my heartiest congratulations to all the poets who have, brought accolades, getting recognized in national and international platforms. They all have been really contributing so much to the literature, art and culture. Thank you once again from the core of our heart, because it wouldn't have been possible without you all. I would like to thank Professor Deepak Kumar Roy, who is the Dean of Arts and Commerce, Raiganj University, Mr. Charan Ivamat, Mr. Devendra Kumar Devesh, Ms. Meera Brahma, Runit Dev Barma, Devapriya Priyadarshi Chakra, and Chirati Sargyari for joining us and making this session a beautiful one. I would also like to... You want to have the photo session right now? Okay, please. May I request all of you to come in front of this. Meanwhile, I would like to announce once again, we are going to have shortly the Crossing the Boundaries, reading and discussion on Southeast Asian writings. This will be chaired by Dr. Zothang Chini Khyangte, Assistant Professor, Bodoland University. And the participants are Suman Pokhrel from Nepal, Mathura Bikash Tripura from Bangladesh, Dr. Achara Phanurad from Thailand, Ms. Zinmei So from Myanmar, and Mr. Karma Jamsho from Dzongkha. Thank you. And I would like to request all of you to please be with us for some more time, because the very interesting session again we are going to have. Once again, thank you all the panelists and the poets who have really entertained us with their own written poems. Okay, I would request Kansai to please take this session forward. आं बयखौबो खावलायनो सानदों जोंहा बिथांमोना गोजाननिफ्राय फैदों थाइलेण्ड म्यानमार जोंखा बांलादेश नेपाल आरो बे सेसनाबो बिराद मोजां जागोन होननानै जों मिजिंथिदों बिनिखायनो आङो बयखौबो खावलायनो नागिरदों जोंजोंनो थाफाथों दसे आरो बे सेसनखौ दैदेनलांनायाव जोंखौ हेफाजाब होनो थाखाय आं आरो खेबसे खावलायबावबाय गोजोन्थों
তাতো আহিব মাইক আছে মাইকৰ থ্ৰুদি আহিছে
So this session B would be coordinated by Mr. Konsai and Ms. Nidhi. So once again, I would like to repeat session B. It's all about crossing the boundaries. This is going to be a reading and discussion on Southeast Asian writings. This will be chaired by Dr. Zothang Chini Kyangte, Assistant Professor, Bodoland University. And the participants we have Mr. Suman Pokral from Nepal, Mathura Vikas Tripura from Bangladesh, Dr. Achara Phanurat from Thailand, Ms. Zinme So from Myanmar and Mr. Karma Zamcho from Zonka. May I request Dr. Zothang Chini Kyangte, Assistant Professor, Bodoland University, to please accept the chair on the dais. And we would like to felicitate Madam with an aronai and a memento. I would request all my colleagues to be ready with the gifts. Dr. Kyangte? Guru, Dr. Kyangte. Sorry.
আৰু এতিয়া মোক এইটো ৰুমত একো কৰিব নিদিবা এতিয়া উত্তম দায় কাম এটা দিছে মোক এইটো কৰিব লাগে লেপটপত কানেকশ্যন কৰিব লাগে দিয়া
Thank you, Dr. Kyangte, for accepting the chair and making your presence possible this evening. May I request Suman Pokral from Nepal to kindly accept the chair on the dais. And we would like to felicitate Mr. Suman with an aronai and a memento. Suman Pokral is a Nepali poet, lyricist, playwright, translator and an artist. His poems have been translated into 17 different languages and appeared in various notable journals worldwide. His poetry is included in the syllabus of language and literature in the universities of Nepal and India. His theatrical and lyrical works have been performed in USA and in some countries of Asia and Europe. He has also been awarded the SARC Literary Award in the year 2013 and 2015 and has also received several other national and international awards in literature. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation and making your presence possible this evening. May I now invite Dr. Achara Phanurat from Thailand. Dr. Achara Phanurat from Thailand. And we would also like to felicitate Madam with an aronai and memento. Dr. Achara Phanurat is the president of Thailand International Folklore Festival since 2017 and was also nominated as the president of the Sarin International Folklore Festival 2006 till 2016. Dr. Achara was previously an associate professor and has published various books over the years, such as the drama of legend of the Mahout Guru, the plays of international speeches for world peace, etc. Thank you. May I now invite Ms. Zinmei So from Myanmar to please accept the chair on the dais. We would also like to felicitate Madam Zinmei So with an Aronai and a memento. Ms. Zinmei So is a former faculty member of Department of English, Mandalay University of Distance Education, Myanmar. Currently, she is pursuing a PhD in Manipur University. Ms. So is a writer, has written the poems and published 3 poems in the university magazine so far. Thank you, madam, for accepting our request and making this evening even more beautiful. Thank you. Over to you, Kansai. And the stage is all yours, Madam Dr. Zothang Chini. Dr. Zothang Chini Kyangte, madam. I would like to request you to kindly take this session forward. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Fatmini, madam, for the wonderful introduction, and welcome to all the participants gathered here today for this interesting session and very, very eventful and meaningful session that we have. Eventful and meaningful, particularly because we have participants from our neighboring countries, Southeast Asia and South Asia, and the session has been titled as Crossing the Boundaries. So we are literally going to cross boundaries in this session. Not only political boundaries, but also cultural boundaries and boundaries of genres too. Because some of the participants will be reading poetry, while others will be discussing about literary history, and whereas some others will be presenting on folklore of their respective nations. So we are very much looking forward to this wonderful session. I am Dr. Zothang Kyangte from the Department of English, Bodoland University, as has been introduced by our session coordinator. And all right, so may I first invite Dr. Achara Bhanurat, without further ado. Because Madam will be needing to use the laptop, and so she will present first. Dr. Achara Bhanurat, the President of Thailand International Folk Festival since 2017. And she has also been nominated as the president of the Sarin International Folklore Festival. She will be talking on a very, very interesting topic, which is she will be discussing on elephant lore of Thailand, and she will also present us with a song to be sung in elephant language, which they call Pakam, and also in Thai language. So may I welcome Dr. Achara Bhanurat, and please.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present the first by YouTube clip before, and then I will sing a song for you too. Okay, let's.
ভিডিও দেখাব না ফটো ফটো ভিডিও
Video before. Okay, I will show you that we have elephant village, about 700 elephants in my hometown. My hometown far from Cambodia, 70 kilometers. And we have the problem on borderline. We try to put folklore for the people. We have ethnic groups, they reject the government, and we can solve problem to them. Okay. Okay. Elephant cemetery. We pioneer to create for them. Yeah. Okay. No, just sound. We try to make YouTube clip for 50 clips. The title of World Peace Dream Village, and we approach elephant, textile, the local wisdom, and everything that to make them pride. World Peace Dream Village, Elephant Cemetery. Elephant Cemetery at Nong Bua Village.
Guys, welcome back to another very informative video. और आज के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे about कश्मीर रूरल
presentation between
क्यों इसमें कहा जाता है इस जगह को heaven on earth, वो आपको पता नहीं चलेगा जब तक आप वहाँ पर जाओगे सर्च में। आप एक बार लाइफ का सबका ड्रीम होता है।
World Peace Dream Village, Elephant Cemetery. Elephant Cemetery at Nong Mua Village, Surin Province. It is a place where allegorical representations between the death of elephants and people, the skeleton of an elephant and a man, loss and love between elephant and people, value of life of elephants and people, environmental conservation of elephants and people, inheritance of the species of elephants and people, etc. In conclusion, elephants are very useful and affect the ecological and environmental balance of the world. Therefore, the only elephant cemetery in the world is a reflection of wild elephants, which are animals that was many times larger than humans and used to be so fierce that people hate and fear them. In the past, Mahaus and Surin residents trained and nurtured elephants through folklore. Until now, the elephant is a model animal and a symbol of peace at the Elephant Cemetery, Surin Province, Thailand. Buddha history and Jataka in Buddhism. It was told and carried on folklore legends that there are 4 important elephants, namely 1. Pachayanaka. He was a special elephant that he was able to make seasonal rain, health, and promoted a humid ecosystem for farmers. 2. Kirimeka. He was an elephant thousands of times bigger than a human. Even if the owner ordered him to hurt the Buddha, but he has spirit of virtue and peace loving. Therefore, he paid respect and listened to the teachings of the Buddha. 3. Nalakiri. He used to be a fierce elephant and he was a follower of the enemy of the Buddha, but he was able to experience psychic power of the Buddha's mercy. Therefore, he changed his mind to worship beside the Buddha and try to develop mindfulness according to the advice of the Buddha until able to bring the mind to peace. 4. Palilayaka. He was a special elephant, avoided the conflict between the 2 kings. He followed the Buddha into the forest. He used his trunk to draw water and brought fruits to the Buddha regularly. The origin of wild elephants is at Phnom Dong Rek mountain range, which is a mountain range that extends to the northeast. It is a mountain range that is home to a wide variety of wildlife and people from various ethnic groups. Most of them speak Thai, Lao, and Khmer. In the past, the Phnom Dong Red Mountains were in the kingdom of science. Later, France occupied the left bank of the Mekong River, then raised the status to Lao People's Democratic Republic and occupied the southern part of the Phnom Dong Rek Mountains and raised the status to Cambodia. This mountain range therefore became the borderline between Thailand, Laos PDR and Cambodia. Later, 1975 to 1979, there was a genocide war in Cambodia. This caused the death of more than 2 million Cambodians and expanded the war zone to the Phnom Dong Rek Mountains, with more than 1 million burial blessed to prevent the Cambodian people from fleeing to Thailand, therefore causing the deaths of many elephants and wild animals. Many wild elephants have fled to the borders of Thailand. In those days, Thai Mahaus caught wild elephants, then trained and refined socialization, praised elephants as the eldest sons of their families by using the method of cultivating elephant habits according to the ancient science of elephants, elephantiology, and spiritism known as Pagam. Many elephant herdsmen families settled in the Lamchi and Moon rivers, in which Surin's province has the most family of Mahaus and elephants. Later, in the year 1955, Surin province organized an elephant show, Elephant Roundup Festival, which is scheduled to be held in November every year, and it's an annual event for the tourism industry. But capitalism has created a conflict between the elephant herders and the farmers. There is a competition for forest and water resources. Moreover, most people regard elephants as economic animals. Therefore, they do not love and not be sincere toward elephants. Social conditions at that time did not learn ancient cultural heritage, and the connection between the ancient folklore of two cultural groups. As a result, some people are immoral in their religion. Lack of communication in the ancient tribal language of elephant, and the lack of conservation of cultural ecosystems. Therefore, everyone in the community lack peace. Guru monk Dr. Han Panyatharo, abbot of Pa Ajiang Temple, Nong Bua village, having studied the knowledge of elephantiology deeply, he tried to integrate the three ancient religions, namely Pakam religion, Brahminism, and Buddhism together perfectly by starting to establish an elephant cemetery inside the temple and managed to become a folklore center for mahouse and elephants. He searched for teaching methods and referring the two folk legends, comparative teachings between the Pakam religion of four elephant gods and the Buddhist allegory about the four important elephants, namely Pachayanaka, Kirimeka, Nalakiri, and Palilayaka, were created to connect the Mahouse faith with Buddhism. He paid tribute to Mahouse as temple worshippers and village sages. Guru monk Dr. Han spent 20 years developing the spirituality of elephants and people. He was able to unite the community of elephant herders and farmers in harmony and reconciliation, causing most Thais and foreigners to return to love elephants and love peace. That is socialization. This method influenced Surin's elephants to be smart and virtuous. All elephants are raised and learn in traditional Thai culture in a Buddhist way at the elephant cemetery inside the temple. White elephants are also privileged to attend the ordination ceremony with the owner of the elephant, which is the key to the ritual of self-development to be peaceful. Both humans and elephants become merit-making partners. It is responsible for continuation of Buddhist life and folklore, for the existence of species and ethnicity of elephants and people, respectively. Philosopher Dr. Han received an honorary doctorate degree from Surindra Rajapat University and representing the elephant village, declaring world peace to both Thai and foreign tourists. And he gave speeches for peace at the Surin International Folklore Festival and the Thailand International Folklore Festival since 2006, and every year at the festival more than 4,000 international artist delegations from 39 countries recognize the fact that elephants can be trained to be smart and virtuous. In addition, the cultural ecosystems of elephants and people are valuable in maintaining the physical and genetic balance of all life on Earth. At present, the elephant cemetery is the center for transmitting folklore about elephants and people. There are signs that peace means death must come naturally. It is therefore the opposite of war. Nong Bua village has an elephant cemetery as the city navel. Therefore, it should be a dream village for world peace. Thank you. Okay, I would like to continue by the pictures slide. Folklore of elephant for peace. The kingdom of Siam was first. We were using the white elephant as the symbol. Thai ethnic people love elephant very much. Thus, the elephant was like the eldest child of family. This reason is why elephants have influenced every branch of Thai literature, including the 6 arts of Thailand, namely engineering, architecture, sculpture, painting, composing, and dramatic of elephant. Later on, Siam was invaded by other nations. Some Thai ethnic groups retreated to the southeast. We adhere to the folklore saying, lose a finger better than lose an arm. And then we cut off the land to foreigners, totaling 11 times until the First World War. หากสยามยังอยู่ยังยืนยงเราก็เหมือนอยู่ของชีพด้วยหากสยามพินาศลงไทยอยู่ได้หรือเราก็เหมือนหมดมวยหมดสิ้นสกุลไทยสยามานุสติ The artist is His Majesty the King, King Rama VI of Thailand. Its meaning, if Siam still exists and remains, we are still alive too. But if Siam perishes, can Thailand survive? Thai people are like end of life and death, and loss of Thai family and Thai ethnicity. Until 1947, we announced the name Siam changed to Thailand, meaning the